Welcome to Learn Express on Codecademy. I actually just seen that they had this course and decided to go through it. The prerequisites. Before you begin Learn Express, we recommend that you complete the following units in the Introduction to JavaScript course. So you should do Introduction to JavaScript, you should do control flow functions, and modules. We additionally recommend that you read this article explaining what a backend is. You guys can go ahead and read that. I'm going to just keep going. Outcomes. In this course, you'll learn how to build HTTP servers in Node.js using the Express framework. You guys should look up HTTP protocol and how that works, and you guys will benefit a lot from that. I won't go into detail, but let's continue. Express allows you to start and configure a server with very little overhead. Instead, focus on the important work of defining server behavior. You'll learn how to create routes to implement server behavior to different HTTP methods and paths. You'll also learn how to use Express's most powerful features, such as routers and middlewares, in order to write clean and readable server-side code. Why learn Express? With these skills, you'll be able to build APIs in JavaScript and implement the CRUD, which is create, retrieve, update, and delete, functionality which forms the backbone of modern-day apps. If you've ever wondered how to make a web app backend or are looking to pick up a new backend framework, this course is for you. So let us actually go to start. So this is the introduction. Learn Express routes. Introduction. A huge portion of the internet's data travels over HTTP/HTTPS through request response cycles between clients and servers. Clients are us on the browser, and we're making requests for information on servers, and it's coming back to us. Request, response. Every time that you use a website, your browser sends a request to one or many servers requesting resources. Every image, meme, post, and video is requested by a client and sent in a response from a server. Express is a powerful but flexible JavaScript framework for creating web servers and APIs. It can be used for everything from simple static file servers to JSON APIs to full production servers. In this exercise, we will be fixing a machine called Express Yourself in the browser. The machine is supposed to provide functionality for clients to interact with various expressions, JavaScript objects, each containing IDs, names, and emojis. Currently, it looks nice, but nothing works since there is no server in place. You will be learning all the necessary skills to implement an API, allowing clients to create, read, update, and delete expressions. These four functionalities together are known as CRUD, and they form the backbone of many real-life APIs. I know we're throwing this word APIs out there if you guys aren't familiar with what they are. In this context, we're talking about the ability to connect to some other code, some other application, and grab that data and do something with it in our app. And you really have to do some more digging into APIs because it's like a huge thing that is powerful and allows you to just grab data and use it for your application. And what this data does depends on the people that write the code. And just exposing this data to give it to us to use is awesome. And if you build your API right, you could, benefit tremendously from it, you profit from it, and help people get access to the data that you want to expose on that API. Instructions. Move on to the next exercise when you're ready. So that's what we'll be talking about in this course, actually. I probably should stop it here just because this is just kind of an introduction of what this course is about. So make sure to share, like, and subscribe. Pass this information on. It might help somebody else. I'll see you in the next video.